Right, so let us get beginnings. And this is a kind of interesting beginning. So every now and again, I spot something in the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs group that I just think is freaking awesome. And so this is a strategy that I have actually used in the past, but it's one of those things where I'd forgotten all about it. And Mark had shared in the group all about a website called Answer the Public. So here's the link, answerthepublic.com. I'll give you that link. And this is, send to all, a brilliant website for SEO. For actually, I used to use it when I was doing loads and loads of affiliate marketing to find long tail search terms to go bid on. And without getting too technical, within any different buying cycle, your potential customers go through 3 distinct phases before they come and buy your shit from you. So phase 1, they don't really know that they've got a problem, but they feel that something's not quite right. Phase 2, they have a problem, so they now are cognizant of the fact that they've got a problem, and they start researching the problem. And stage 3, they start looking for the best solution to the problem. Okay, so that's the 3 distinct phases your customers go through. And that applies much, much more to affiliate marketing, which is something I never ever talk about here. But anyway, applies much, much more to that. Answer the Public is perfect for phase 2, which is your customers know they've got a problem and they start researching about the problem. So they're not looking for a solution to it, they're just looking for about the problem. Okay, Answer the Public is freaking awesome for that phase, because what I used to do, although I don't do it anymore, is I used to use this website, find long tail search terms, and then use those for Amazon PPC, sorry, for Google PPC, not Amazon PPC, Google PPC, and I would take them from phase 2 to phase 3 in my follow-up marketing. So that was my entire affiliate marketing strategy for a long, long time. Anywho, turns out you can actually do some other cool shit with Answer the Public too. So here's what Mark came up with. So Mark says what you want to do is you want to research your niche in Answer the Public. So when you do that, so for instance, here is gift for dad, and I've just searched for that. You can also, by the way, search for the different countries as well. Look, different countries and what different countries are searching for, which is very, very sexy. But we've just gone for the POMs and we've gone for gift for dad. And if I look down here, it shows me all the different words and all the different frequencies of words, and then shows me the long tail keywords that come off the back of them. Okay, now what the hell do you do with those? Well, what Mark has suggested is that you get those phrases and you create answers to them, to these consumer questions, maybe through a YouTube video or something like that, and then you set up a blog post all about these particular problems. So a gift for dad who doesn't want anything, for instance. What's the perfect gift for my dad who doesn't want anything? What's the perfect gift for my dad who has everything, for instance? You set them up as YouTube videos or something like that. You answer the question. Of course, the answer to that question is buy my stuff that I sell for gifts for dads. That's always the answer to that question. And by doing that, you can tap into a shitload of free search traffic on Google and places like that. It is a bloody awesome strategy. I'd completely forgotten all about it, and it actually works really, really well. So I thought that was great. So Mark, thanks so much for that. Something we've forgotten. Now, who can come up with, just off the cuff, another way specifically relating to Amazon's product details page? So I'm going to talk a lot about Amazon's product details pages tonight. Who can come up with another way that you can use these long tail search terms on your Amazon product details page? Anybody got any ideas what you could do for that? Who's got an idea? Bullet Points says Chrissy Cartwright. Very, very good. So you could incorporate these into your bullet points. Absolutely, that's a really good idea. You could do images. So you could put together some of your images for your Amazon details page. that incorporate either the text, this is a perfect gift for the dad who has everything, for instance, or as an infographic, something like that. Could be kind of cool. Mark, you're welcome, mate. I thought it was a really good idea, buddy, so I was very, very happy to shout it out for you. Search terms, absolutely. The editorial, says Abdulias, so absolutely you could do that. So here's what I thought of as well. You could, so if we just scroll down, let's find something. So let's just scrolly, downy. Customers, questions and answers. So those customer questions and answers are very, very important, because actually Amazon indexes the questions and also indexes your answers as well. So what you could do as part and parcel of your getting reviews on Amazon strategy is to get your reviewers who you are paying to review for you, or it's your family, friends of friends are doing it for you, get them to ask a question. And the question, of course, could be something like, is this a great gift for Father's Day, for instance? You could ask something like that within that particular thing, and then you could answer it, yes, this is the perfect gift for Father's Day. In fact, it's the perfect gift if your dad says he's got everything already, doesn't need anything, this is perfect for him too. So you could incorporate these into your question and answer area and thus get the added benefit not only from Google search, but also with the full knowledge that if people searching for them on Answer the Public, they've also got those in their heads as well. So you could do that too, which would be kind of cool. Good thinking, Mark. I thought that was really, really cool, mate. And here's the direct link for that. I don't know if I've given you that already, but just in case I haven't. Send to all. I thought that was a really good idea. So that's Answer the Public, and it's answerthepublic.com. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.